The Great War is over. All you want is to return home, to a new republic, born in the heart of Europe. The escalating civil war blocks your path to the west, so the only way out is east, across the vast Siberia. Through territory disputed between the Red and White armies, prepare to fight your way to freedom. Explore war-torn cities, face challenging situations, and unexpected obstacles. Do whatever it takes to prevail, and keep your soldiers alive. Your train will require constant care and attention.